This is part 4 of the FRAXsset Fractional Ownership and Exchange of Assets Distributed Application, or DApp, introduction. And today in part 4, what we're going to do is actually transfer ownership of an asset that we previously created. We're running a local instance of the blockchain here. And we created one record, an image that I had taken. We created that record. Now we're going to transfer ownership of that record to other persons. So it's a fairly simple process. When I created this record, I created 100 shares. So I'm going to transfer today, let's say, I'm going to transfer 30 shares of my asset. Asset number. The asset number was 1. I had created an asset on a local instance here, so its asset number is 1, and the shares are 30 shares. And then what we need to do is come up with the address of the person to whom we wish to transfer the other party. This is the Ethereum address of the person. And that's it. Address, the asset number. Again, we're running a little local instance, so we just created one asset previously. And the number of shares, I had a total of 100 shares. I'm going to transfer 30 shares. And I'll start this transfer. Give me a confirmation to confirm. The asset number is 1. This is the title, the description. Make sure this is the asset for which I want to transfer shares, and I complete the transfer. We'll come up with a transaction number. If this was on the mainnet or even a testnet, it would pop here and you could see the actual transaction. Again, I'm running a local instance, so you won't be able to see that. Once it's also complete, you can view the asset and get a breakdown of the share ownership. And here's the and once the event, or once the transaction completes, you'll see an event pop, which will show you the details. For asset number 1, 30 shares were transferred to account address this. And that's it. Everything is on the blockchain. It's been updated. Now 30 shares are now owned by this address, and you previously owning 100 shares, now you own 70, and the other person will own 30. That's about it.